Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will be talking to you about another herbal hair oil. This particular herbal hair oil, I got to know about this as well from my Instagram. I was seeing an advertisement about this, so I contacted them and talked and saw their profile and checked out that their products are natural and natural. It doesn't contains any harsh chemicals, and all the product, mostly the ingredients are Indian ingredients used in this. So the good thing about this Indian ingredient thing is that you are Indian, you have Indian skin, so you should use the products which are meant for you only, because imported products are like meant for them basically, because the products you are like if you get to know geography and geology in detail, then you will get to know that in the place where you are living, the environment and the kind of things you are finding here are suitable for your place. So using imported things is not that much important. In fact, I will say that using native things are way better idea. So let's talk about this brand now. So this brand is Yeka. You can see the bottle. I have used it and spilled some oil because the quality is little flimsy. So this particular hair oil contains moringa and green magic. It contains, like, I have the outer packaging. This is how the outer packaging looks like. I have removed it. I just found it from somewhere. So this particular hair oil contains 27 native Indian ingredients, and it is 100% natural. You can see the moringa and green magic. It's the herbal hair oil. So let's talk about the moringa hair. So the moringa basically helps to provide the oxygen to your hair roots, which is very important for your hair growth, because when you will get the adequate amount of oxygen for your hair, it will make it more breathable, and it will help it in growing. Other than that, it contains zinc. Like, moringa contains zinc, which stimulates your hair growth, and then the amino acids, which are like healthy for your hair strands, and omega-3. We all know about the omega-3 fatty acids. These are very helpful for nourishing your hair. Other than that, if we talk about the ingredient, it contains cold pressed virgin coconut oil, then cold pressed sesame oil. So these are the oil mixture which we have, and also it contains 27 native ingredients which are very good and helpful for your hair growth, which enhances your hair growth and makes them better. So and one more good thing about this particular oil is that you don't need to apply it for 1 hour, 2 hour. Here it is mentioned that you have to apply it for at least 30 minutes. So 30 minutes is not that much time. So for the people who don't like to put oil in their hair, as I have already told you that it is good to apply hair oil a night before washing them. But if you do not like applying hair on your apply oil on your hair, so this is a good solution, that you have to apply it for at least 30 minutes, which is not much time, and it will be it will impact your hair. But yeah, definitely if you will apply it for longer period, there will be better results for the same. So other than that, if we talk about the indications, or what they are claiming is that it gives irresistible softness to your hair, extra penetrating oil promotes hair growth, helps in reducing hair fall, intense repair therapy, aids in hair regrowth in bald areas, as I have already told you. So it is good for improving your baldness. Then it prevents premature graying and darkens your hair. So this darkens thing is, it can be like somewhere it can affect a person who have colored hairs, because I have colored hair but I haven't faced such problem with this yet. But it may affect, because it is helping in darkening your hair color. So if you have applied hair color, so I think somewhere it will impact your hair color. Definitely it's gonna impact your hair color. So you can give it a try, but if it impacts, then I will not suggest, because yeah, but it can be useful for those who want their color back. So it can be good for them, but for those who, like me, who don't want their color to be faded or to get darkened, then this may be not suitable for you people. if we talk about the price, so it cost 350 rupees for I think it's 100 ml. Yeah. I don't know about the quantity, but I think it's 100 ml bottle. So it costs you 350 rupees for this 100 ml bottle, and I think sometimes during some occasions you can get discount on the same. I think I haven't purchased it on discount period, but I maybe it will be available, and you can purchase it from their website. There is a website available. I will attach the website link, also their Instagram link. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you will like this video. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon. Bye bye, take care.